our San Diego flight. Today we have the gang. This is Dito, Manny Pacquiao, beauty blogger Chloe, our god Andrew Ha, Sayoka with her new hair here is icy. Kevin, he works with us at Cactus Club. He gets all the touches. Our goat of the day. What is the slang for goat again? Greatest of all time. It's the goat of all time. Boom. We're gonna pick up our luggages now. Welcome, welcome. What up? How was your flight? It was good. I slept through the whole thing. Welcome back to Rosie. We have landed in San Diego. I was sitting in the middle and my head was like, no. There was a grandma sitting next to me and I had to pee real bad, but she couldn't get up fast enough, so I was like, I'm gonna just not pee. Oh, look at the dog. See a little doggy in the back, and we're going to get some water. Taco stand.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Today we are eating taco stand. It's so good right now.
Okay.
I don't remember it being like this. My experience here was like all a blur. How's it, Andrew? Bomb? Speechless? It's been a good day. Not tapping out. She got it. I believe in. How was your taco stand, Jerry? So we're in a hotel room. Sam has arrived. Hi. And we're on the 14th floor. Suckers. Ha. Suckers. Oh, the lighting is perfecto. Check it out. Babies. We're at Botanical Garden right now. Looking for our group. We're looking at ducks. It's so cute. Elote corn. Nat wants a photo.
You want a photo, Nat? Run. It's your time to stop. Run, Nat.
Keep going, keep running. Keep running. Go, go, go.
Don't fall.
1, 2, 3. Natural. Yeah. Oh, you were there? How cute. What did you get, Sam? Mango green tea. Mango. Hello.
It's so bright.
You out there, Jerry?
I am Brussels sprouts.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
There they are. Get it, boys! Get that! Hello, hello, Oh.
Ever want to do a video, man? Right now is the time, dude. And it's
do
like
it, do
right on
it.
the stage. Nobody's here, dude.
We'll all hype you up.
Let's go! Yeah!
Hey guys, thanks for coming to my show. I'm just doing a little performance here for my buddies. The whole park is closed off, but I especially reserved it for my 11 people. Andrew! Yeah!
Cheese! Let's go! Oh my god, Andrew!
Oh my god! Hey, have your hat! Give me your hat!
June blows, yeah. I got the June blows, yeah.
We're at ramen. Hi, Nat. What did you order? I got tuna bowl.
Did I like the camera?
Oh, no. This is Haru Kitty. Haru Kitty.
Something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny.
What's up, y'all? I heard everybody's been too fucking nice, so I'm here to turn it up. Bitch. Oh, Shane, what's up? Hey guys, I'm taking over Sayoka's vlog. We're holding hands.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're all wearing yellow today. It's a yellow shirt for a sunny day. Where are we going? We are going to get breakfast. We're going to get breakfast at this place called Harbor Cafe. Harbor Cafe. No, Harbor Breakfast. Yes. Harbor Breakfast. It's a really nice day outside. go to the USS Midway Museum, which is like a big ship, and we're gonna like go in it. And I think after we're gonna go to Cordova Beach and tan. Keys is here. What up? What up?
story.
Irvin's here. What up? We'll take a nice one and then we'll put it. Your drink. I don't know if you can do it.
Entering the Midway Museum. Welcome aboard. Whoa.
So sick.
Marcel for 10 cents? Dude,
Dude, they got Oreos back then? Yo.
this is where all the privilege lies.
Oh my god, this is so sad.
Everybody's snoring. Jeez.
Are you actually laying in it? Ah, it's creepy.
How did they go from here to this though?
Sayoka, we're crashing.
Oh no. Gotta call someone.
We're losing sales.
Well, my phone number is 778. Welcome to my crib. This is my open garage here. Behind you over here is what I like to drive on a sunny day, you know, with the roof open. The wind is blowing in my hair. Those two? Oh, those aren't mine.
There's all of Sayoka's fans.
These are all
It's empty because she has 0 fans.
We're just casually chilling. Where are we? On a yacht. On a yacht with our friends.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Rosie's yacht. This is her yacht.
My yacht. Welcome to my yacht. M-A-I. My yacht. We're gonna go to Coronado Beach and just chill. The rest of the group is just taking a while, so they're gonna meet us up. Photo.
We are at Coronado Beach.
Oh my god! There goes Jordan too. Oh, man down. Jordan cut his foot.
So accurate. Come on, get up and dance.
Twerking. So oily.
It's so oily.